Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add a moving profile picture on TikTok. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to the source bar of your PC, click on the source bar and type TikTok and press enter in the keyboard. So when you are inside the keyboard, you just have to look in the left hand side. There is a profile section. Just click on the profile section. And when you are inside the profile section, there is an edit profile option. Just click on the edit profile option. And when the edit profile interface is open or the form is open, there is a profile photo option where there is a circular sign and there is an icon of pencil and an underline. So you just have to click on the pencil and the underline. After that, you can just choose a profile picture or the pictures that you want to add as a profile picture. So in order to add a moving profile picture, you just have to record a moving picture or moving profile picture in order to upload it. And if you have recorded the moving profile picture, or you can even download a moving picture from an online resource, and you can just click on the picture or the videos that you want to upload, and after that you can just select on that certain moving picture and you will be able to upload it as a profile picture on TikTok successfully. So this is how you can easily add a moving profile picture on TikTok. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.